Hello children, how are you all? I think everyone of you are fine. Now, welcome to our class Nana. Today we will go to the chapter. In our class, first chapter is numbers. Now open your textbooks, page number 5. Our first chapter is numbers. What is our first chapter, Nana? Numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. In our previous class, we have learned how to write the numbers in words and how to write expandation form, how to write ascending order and descending order. We have learned. Today we will practice that only. That means we will go to today. We will go to exercise. First chapter numbers. Now ready, steady. First bit. Write the number names of the following. We have learned this how to write. Second bit. Write in expandation form. Expanded form also we have learned. Ascending order and descending order. Today I will explain two problems. Remaining problems are your homework. Now first bit. First chapter is numbers. Now first bit. Already we have learned this. Now we will write today. Write the number names of the following. Write the number names of the following. Heading completed. First number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have given. What is that, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will write this number in words. Number names means you have to write this number in words. That means with spellings you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before going to write this number in words, what we have to do, Nana, first of all? Before going to write this number in words, first of all you have to separate the given digit with commas. How to separate the given digit with commas, Nana? Already in class 4 we have learned. First after 3 digits, next after 2 digits. Now we will count. First of all we will count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 digit number. Before going to write this number in words, first of all we have to separate the given digit with commas. How to separate? First after 3 digits, next after 2 digits. First after 3 digits, Nana, so I am counting 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits has completed. Now we will write this number in words. Before going to write that, we have separated the number with commas. Then what we have to do here? We have to count the place values of the given number. Now count the place values. We have to count the place values from right side to left side. Now in your right side, what is the first number? 5. 5 is in the place value of ones. 4. Next 4. 4 is in the place value of tens. 4 after 3. 3 is in the place value of hundreds. After 3 we have 2. 2 is in the place value of thousands. After 2 we have 1. 1 is in the place value of 10,000s. Now count once again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. See, now I am counting from right side to left side. Right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now how to read this number? 12,345. Now we will write in words. 12,000. TWELVE 12,000. THOUSAND 12,000. 345. What is the spelling of 3? THRE 300 HUNDRED 100. 45. Not 45. 45. FORTY 40. FIVE 5. Now 12,345. 345. First one has completed. Now see the next number. What is the next number, Nana? 789654. 789654. Second one. First one has completed. Draw the line like this. Now 7 8 9 6 5 4. Same like first one. First of all you have to copy that number as it is. Now we have to write this number in words. Before going to write this number in words, first of all we have to separate the given digit with commas. First after 3 digits, next after 2 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits has completed comma. Next after 2 digits. 1, 2 digits has completed. Here we get comma. Then we will count the place values now. Once right side to left side, Nana. In my right side I have first digit is 4. So right side to left side. Right side to left side. Right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Now how to read this number? 7,89,654. 7 lakhs, SEVN, 7 lakhs, 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 7 lakhs, 89,000, EIGHTY, 80, NINE, 9, THOUSAND, 89, 7 lakhs, 89,654, SIX, HUNDRED, 654, FIFTY, 50, FOUR, 4, 7 lakhs, 89,654. Like this you have to complete the first bit. In our first bit we have 4 problems. I have completed 2. Now I will explain last one. Only one is your homework. I am rubbing first one. Fourth question. 1. After 1, how many zeros are there? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros are there, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how to read this number? Read this number once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 zeros and the last digit is 1. I am writing them as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we have to separate the digit with commas. 1, 2, 3. Comma. First after 3 digits, next after 2 digits. 2 digits has completed, comma. Now count the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Simply it is 1 lakh because in remaining all places we have 0. We cannot say the 0 has 1's place, 10's place, we cannot say. That means we did not read 0 as, we have to read 0 as 0 only. So this number is only 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. Completed. Now third one is your homework. Okay. Now we will go for second bit. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Second bit. D bit Nana. Write in expanded form. Already about expandation form you know. In our second class also we have learned. Write in expanded form. Expandation form I will explain to remaining for your homework. I will explain first one and third one. First question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See in your textbook here we have. Write in expanded form 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For expandation form there is no need to separate the digit with commas. We have, before going to start the expandation form, first of all we will count the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now we will write in. We have to count the place values from right side to left side. We have to write the expandation form from left side to right side. Now we will start from 4 onwards because 4 is the, in our left side 4 is the first digit. So 4 into 4 in the place value of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 10,000. 1,000 means we have to write 3 zeros plus. Next after 5, 5 into 5 is in the place value of 1,000. Plus after 5 we have 6. 6 is in the place value of 100. plus after 6 we have 7, 7 is in the place value of tens. After 7 we have 8, 8 is in the place value of 1. Now multiply. 4 into 10,000, 40,000. Otherwise, if you don't know, simply you have to close the zeros. You have to close only the zeros. 4 ones are 4. Now remove your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 into 10,000, 40,000. Plus 5 into 1,000, 5,000. Plus 6 into 100, 600. Plus 7 into 10, 70. Plus 8 ones are 80. This is the expandation form. 4 problems are there. First one has completed. Now more one. Which one I have to explain, Nana? Now I'll explain third one. Second and fourth are your homework. I am explaining third one now. 157, 162. 157, 162. 157, 162. Now 157, 162. Before going to write the explanation form, once again we will count the place values. You have to count the place values from right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Now you have to start the explanation form from left side to right side. In your left side, the first digit is 1. So we will start from 1 onwards. 1 into 1 lakh. How many zeros are there for 1 lakh? We have 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 1 lakh. Place after 1 we have 5. 5 is in the place value of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 10 into 1,000, 10,000. Plus next. After 5 we have 7. 7 is in the place value of 1,000. After 7 we have 1. 1 is in the place value of 100. Plus after 1 we have 6. 6 is in the place value of 10. Plus after 6 we have 2. 2 is in the place value of ones. 2 ones are 2. Now multiply. 1 into 1 lakh. We will get 1 lakh only, otherwise if you don't know, same like first one. 1 ones are 1. Here we have 5 zeros. Copy that 5 zeros to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Plus 7 into 1,000, 7,000. Plus 1 into 100, 100. Plus 6 into 10, 60. Plus 2 ones are 2. It is the expandation form. Your second bit is expandation form. I have explained first one and third one. Second one and fourth one is your homework. You have to complete that. Now come to the third bit. Write the ascending and descending orders for the following numbers. That means only for one number you have to write both ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. Up to CBT is your homework. I will explain only one, remaining 3 of your homework. Tauri. Ascending order and descending order. Write the ascending and descending orders for the following numbers. Write the ascending order, ascending and descending orders for the following numbers. In CBIT, what is the first question, Anna? How many problems are there? 4 are there. I will explain 2 remaining to your homework. First question, 2, 7, 8, 5, 6, 9, comma, 5, 8, 9, 5, 6, 2, comma, 3, 6, 7, 9, 0, comma, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. first question has completed. Only for this number we have to write both ascending order and descending order. First we will write ascending order. Otherwise copy this number as again 2 7 8 5 6 9 comma 5 8 9 5 6 2 comma 3 6 7 9 0 comma 2 4 6 7 8. Now for this number we have to write both orders, ascending order and descending order. First we will write ascending order. What is mean by ascending order, Nana? The arrangement of numbers from smaller number to greater number is called ascending order. In our previous class we have learnt about ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from smaller number to greater number is called ascending order. Before going to write these numbers in ascending order, now we have to count the digits in each number. Digits in each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is also 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-digit number. Now, these two are 6-digit numbers. These two are 5-digit numbers. Ascending order. That means we have to write the numbers from smaller number to greater number. Now, which numbers has greater digits, Nana? Here, these two are 6-digit numbers, these two are 5-digit numbers. That means 5-digit numbers are smaller numbers. We have to arrange in small from big to, so that's why we have to write these 5-digit numbers first. Now, this number is also 5-digit number, this number is also 5-digit number. If the digits are equal, then what you have to do? Then you have to compare the first number. Here, see this number and say, what is the first number here? 3. What is the first number here? 2. Both are not equal. Now here 3, it is 2. 2 is the smallest number, so 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 is the first smallest number. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 is the first smallest number. Next 3, 6, 7, 9, 0. 3, 6, 7, 9, 0. Now both 5-digit numbers are completed. Now come to the 6-digit numbers. Both are 6-digit numbers. If the digits are equal, then what you have to do? If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. What is the first number here? 2. What is the first number here? 5. Here also both are not equal. So 2 is the smallest number. So 2, 7, 8, 5, 6, 9 is the next smallest number. What is that? 2, 7, 8, 5, 6, 9 is the next smallest number. Then last 5, 8, 9, 5, 6, 2 remains, so that we have to write last. 5, 8, 9, 5, 6, 2. Now ascending order has completed. Now write descending order. Descending order means the arrangement of numbers from greater number to smaller number is called descending order. Otherwise, write the opposite to ascending order also called descending order. Then write in reverse. That means write from here first. 5, 8, 9, 5, 6, 2. Greater number to smaller number we have to write. Next 2, 7, 8, 5, 6, 9. Next 3, 6, 7, 9, 0. 3, 6, 7, 9, 0. Last 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. That means if you know ascending order, then you can write descending order easily. First one has completed. I will explain next one. Remaining two are your homework. Now second question. Now second question. See in your textbook, second question. 9, 7, 8, 5, 6, 4. 9, 7, 8, 5, 6, 4. Next 5, 8, 9, 3, 7, 0. 7, 9, 8, 7, 5. 5, 6, 7, 2, 6. Now for this also we have to write both ascending order and descending order. Before going to write ascending order and descending order, first we have to count the digits in each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also 5-digit number. Ascending order, we have to write small to big. Here 5-digit numbers are smaller numbers compared to 6-digit numbers. Now we have to compare these three first because 5-digit number is a smaller number. Now these three are 5-digit numbers. If the digits are equal, then what you have to do? Then you have to compare the first number. Here the first number is 8, first number is 7, first number is 5. Out of these three numbers, 5 is a smaller number. So 5, 6, 7, 2, 6 is the first smallest number. Now this number has completed. Now compare these two numbers. Out of these two numbers, now we have to find which is a smaller number. Here it is 5-digit number, it is also 5-digit number. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. Here the first number is 8, first number is 7. Out of these two numbers, 7 is the first smallest number. So 79875 is the next smallest number. Now these both are completed. Last 89370 remains. 89370 remains. 3 has completed, only 1 left. That number you have to write last. 9, 7, 8, 5, 6, 4. Now ascending order has completed. Now write descending order same like first one, then write in reverse. 9, 7, 8, 5, 6, 4. Next 89370. Next 79875. Last 5, 6, 7, 2, 6. Like this you have to write. For one number only you have to write both ascending and descending orders. In up to C bit. In first bit 3 problems has completed. Only third one is your homework. In second bit first 2 problems has completed. Remaining 2 are your homework. In third bit 2 problems has completed. Remaining 2 are your homework. You have to complete this homework. In next class we will learn how to write D, E, F, G bits. Okay, thank you children. Complete your homework. Very good.